So last year's competition, of course, and then how the students are performing well, and I thought that yes, the competition will be high, and then yeah, it was high this year. My plan is to appear for some entrance tests, and then we'll see what God has planned for me. Presently, I want to be a doctor, yeah, medical line. Yeah.
Online also?
Online, we couldn't use online because we were not allowed phones. But yeah, I did use some guides because yeah, I really had to clear my doubts. And of course, my teachers were also very good in their field. So for me, online was really hectic. First of all, because it really pulled me down in a way. You know, I started lacking and then being lazy. But once the online came, everything went on track. And then with the encouragement of my friends and my teachers, I really tried. And then yeah, I would say offline is way better than online. I would say I have some hobbies, but not any that I would be like very proud to share. But I would say I read a bit of books. Then I like writing, and then I also like I like music. That's one thing, I like music, and yeah, some leisure stuff. That's it.
Pressure, community pressure.
Yeah. I would not say pressure, but I would say hopes. Like I would say that they had hopes on me that I will do better, right? And I will keep on keeping up my scores. I won't call that pressure. I will just call that hopes.
From the family.
Yeah, from the family and friends too. All of them were so encouraging. Like one thing I would really like to say is like your success. It's not only yours. It's also It's also for and of the people who have been hoping on you and who have been praying for you. So yeah, not if not for yourselves, but then also for the people who have been hoping on you. That should be the main aim for success. Honestly, I have a lot of people to credit because this journey till now had been, you know, a merciful journey merciful journey where I have met a lot of amazing people. Of course, first my parents, and then my school back, and then my brothers from my dorm, and then my friends, of course, and my relatives. Then also my school, my teachers and my friends from the previous school. They've also always been encouraging me. Then yeah, all of the people who I've met and come across, all of them had been encouraging me in one way or the other.